Hello everyone. In the last all the tutorials we have imported the data in the Power BI, and then after also we have cleaned our data with the help of the Power Query. Now let us connect the data, and for that we have a new section, and here you are going to understand about the dimension table, fact table, primary key, foreign key, then snowflake schema, star schema. So these are the theoretical things which is required to be understand in the Power BI. So for that this section will be very helpful, and I will tell you to all of you that please be focused on this section. Personally, I will tell you. Okay. So now let us jump to the screen, and on the screen you can see that we have opened our superstore which we were updating our data. In that the table view is there, then model view is there. So these are the different views are there. Before proceeding further, what we are going to do, we are going to remove unwanted data. So you can see that the global superstore, which is as a CSV file, which we have loaded earlier to give you the understanding how to import the CSV file. So we are directly removing this data from the model. Okay. Let us delete this table, which is unwanted for us right now. And this is also the like list of countries and territories which we have imported from the Wikipedia. So let us remove these two. So these both the tables which we have removed, which is not required right now. And if you directly go in the model view, before proceeding, let us again recheck whether our all the tables are correctly placed or not. So in the orders, yes, everything is cleaned and looked properly. Okay, and in the people tab, yes, everything is okay, and in the return, yes, everything is okay. I hope this is clear. Now here first we are going to understand about the primary key and the foreign key. To explain this, let us jump to the blank page so that I can explain you very well. Now let us assume that you have one table. Okay, and which is for our case that is, what is our main table? Our main table is the order. Okay, so this is our, let's assume that this is our order table, and in the order table there may be different fields are there. So let us assume, let us again go back to our data. You can see that order ID, which could be always as a unique one, customer ID, which will be also the unique one. So it may not be possible that young sex has the different customer IDs different times. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So this is the customer ID and this is the customer name, and customer IDs is the unique for each and everything. So this is called as the main key, which is unique identifier for particular table. But it may possible that in this order key, that may be possible that one person has ordered multiple line items. Likewise, only one person we are talking about. But if we talk about this person ID, its data, let's assume that here the person name is there, and its whole data like address, phone number, postal code, everything is saved over here. So this is called as another table. So this we will called as a fact table, and this is called as the dimension table. Now the key is unique over here. So here it may possible that no multiple values. So this is only unique values. I hope this is clear to you. So this is called as a primary key. Let me write down over here primary key. Okay, and here this is called as a foreign key because its data is mapped under some foreign table. So why this is helpful? Let us assume that you want to analyze the data, and in one of the table you may have the order details only, but in the order details the person name is written over there, its address is mentioned in some another table. So at that time it may possible that if you want to analyze the data like in terms of region, how many sales has been happened, so for that you need to connect these two tables. Okay, so for that purpose this is called as the data modeling. So let us jump to the Power BI. Can see that in the model view some relationships are created. So this is called as the relationships. Right now you just we are limit ourselves to understand about the primary key and the foreign key only, and in the subsequent lecture we will understand more in detail. So for primary key is the main key where our data is mentioned, and the foreign key is the key which is mapped to with the our dimension table where our master data is there. So I have opened one screen. You can see that this is our fact table where our main data is there with the multiple line items with the similar records. May possible, yes. But here only unique values. So here if we talk about the sales table, okay. So here customer details are mentioned, okay. Product details are mentioned, region details, let assuming region details are there. So likewise this is just a unique table, this unique values it has, and here it can have the multiple values. This is called as a fact table. This is called as a fact table, and this is called as a dimension table from where we are going to fetch our dimensions. So I hope this is clear to you, and let us keep this thing till now, and in the subsequent I will give you how to build the relationship between the two tables, and also the different cardinality concepts and all we are going to understand. To be with the course.